Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the severe thunderstorms that will be moving across the northeast southern New England region over this evening. So let's get right into it. Um, First, we're going to be looking at this map I made about the categorical outlook, which is basically the we categorize the intensity of a thunderstorm. So basically, over most of the United States, it's just going to be a thunderstorm. It won't be intense intense as something like an enhanced thunderstorm, which would be there could be a potential tornado out of that, which is over Wisconsin and Michigan. But for the Northeast and Southern New England, which is what we're going to be covering today, we just have some thunderstorms which could still flood roads, and there could be lots of lightning associated with it, but nothing severe. And over here at the bottom right corner, if you want to pause the video and read, that is what the National Weather Service, how the National Weather Service classifies each tier of a thunderstorm. So now, if we go to this is what the Storm Prediction Center is forecasting, and you can see we kind of differ. I think that the Wisconsin, Michigan, Minnesota area could see very intense thunderstorms, so that's why I bumped it up to an enhanced. And around it, I then have a slight and then a marginal, and then the rest is thunderstorms. And I don't think you're gonna see anything in the southwest. That's why I didn't. You could see something, but I don't think it's worth pointing it out. Here's the tornado risk. It's a 2% risk. You have a 2% risk of a tornado in this area within a 50-mile radius. You have up to a 15% chance of tornado damage. Not tornado damage, wind damage in Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. And you also have this little area of 5% in New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, Pennsylvania, near Philadelphia, and also in New York. And then you have surrounding, you have this. Sorry about that. That was just an AccuWeather notification. You have a 5% chance of getting wind damage in that area. Then let's go on to the models. Here we're going to start with the temperatures because you could see temperatures rise up near 100 degrees in some areas. So if we go up, and Friday is really when it's going to ramp up. So this is Thursday in the middle of the day around 4 p.m. when it's usually the warmest because of the sun. You're gonna see temperatures anywhere from about 95 degrees to 75 degrees in upstate New York. We cool down at night, and then Friday is when we heat up. And you see, we get up to 93 degrees in parts of central New Jersey and 97 degrees in parts of southern New Jersey, almost up to 100 in parts of Virginia, and even in New York City, we have temperatures at 90 degrees. We keep on moving. This is Saturday. We have temperatures at 101 degrees in parts of New Jersey. And then one more time, which Sunday, and you can see temperatures rise. Like, this is kind of the line of temperatures exceeding 100 degrees. So if you're in within that area, you're probably going to see above 100 degrees on Saturday or Sunday. And then we actually see a cool down. Like, look, this is some temperatures in 60 to 50 degrees, but we'll talk about that later. Moving on to the, oops, no, we're gonna go to the radar, the simulated radar, which is basically their forecasting and high resolution. This is what the model thinks is gonna happen. So as we move across the day, this is around 11 a.m. You see this intense cell over here. This is around 2 p.m. Eastern time, and yeah, you're just gonna see some thunderstorms moving across the area. You're not gonna see anything much, just a couple cells. They could have some lightning associated with it, but they'll move out. All of the precipitation, for the most part, will be out by the early morning, by early morning on Friday. And here's what we expect rainfall wise. So we expect in parts of this is Monmouth County, I believe. Monmouth, this is Mercer County. We have some readings up to 3 to 4 inches of rain. So that could definitely flood roads. So just be careful. Also for some southern counties in New Jersey and even some areas up north a little bit could see some heavy rainfall rates. So if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe and hit the like button. Um, I will be uploading maybe another video today. I don't know. And I'll definitely be uploading another video tomorrow. So stay tuned and goodbye.